फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। एंड जैसे कि आपने आज के थंबनेल में देखा है, टुडेज वीडियो इज रियली एक्साइटिंग बिकॉज finally after I don't know 2 to 3 years I'm finally going to make an instant clear slime recipe. So you guys have been asking me कि दी हम लोग instant clear slime कैसे बना सकते हैं जो कि ज़्यादा टाइम ना लगाए, और that too अगर हमारे पास borax activator ना हो, then how can we make instant clear slime? So fantastic, here's the recipe. So in today's video I'm going to guide you guys about how to make instant clear slime step by step so that it won't take you guys 1 week to make a clear slime. So this is the exciting stuff that we are going to do in today's video. So if you guys are excited, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button because we need to get to 50k as soon as possible. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now let's see how to make our clear slime. And without talking too much, let's get started with the video. So fantastic, while making clear slime, you guys need to make sure that whatever utensils or whatever, spoons and everything that you're using, even your activator has to be super clear, because if you use something dirty, then it will cloud up your whole slime and then it will be a very big waste of, clear glue and your money. So make sure whichever glue, utensils or activator that you're using, make sure everything is crystal clear so that your slime will be like literally magical. So now let's start making our slime, and let's take our bowl. So here's our bowl. So in our bowl we are first going to take some clear glue. So this is the clear glue that we are using today. So this is the amount that I'm going to use because we are making an instant clear slime. You can make it, thick, but I would like, a water slime consistency. So I'm going to use half bottle of glue and half bottle of water. So first we'll add our glue into our bowl. So yeah, let's add our glue in the bowl. So now that we have added our glue, it's time for us to add the same amount of water into our glue and mix everything together. So now let's do that. Now that we've added our water into this, make sure you add only the water part and not the bubbles into our slime, because then the point of clear slime will be literally nothing. So yeah, first try to just add the water because the water bubbles will be, left behind. So make sure you just add the water into our bowl. So yeah, let's do that. So as you guys can see, I've left everything, like all the bubbles in the container, and only have poured the water. So that is what exactly you guys have to do as well. Now it's time for our activator, which is going to be baking soda and contact lens solution. Now you guys can also use baking soda and eye drops because that just works as well as, contact lens solution. So you guys can pretty much use any boric acid activator and it will work wonders for the slime. Make sure that it's just, clear. So even if you're making boric acid activator, then if you guys want to know how to make boric acid activator, then check the I button because I've given it there, and make sure to strain it 2 to 3 times so that it's super clear. So now let's add our baking soda into it, about this much into it, and make sure to mix it really good. Now let's combine all of our ingredients together. So as you guys can see, baking soda just, gets all the bubbles into a slime, but don't worry, these will go away in 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, now that our ingredients are mixed thoroughly, even though we've added like a lot of water, our slime will still be like, you know, super thick because this glue is just amazing. So yeah, now once you've mixed everything together, make sure everything is well combined, and then we can go ahead with the activation process. So now for the activation, let's take our contact lens. So here's our contact lens solution. Now let's start activating our slime. Just make sure you don't overactivate your slime. We just need little drops, just a little bit of contact lens solution. As you guys can see, it is activating. So as you guys can see, our slime is pretty much ready. Now don't get scared with the amount of bubbles it has, because it will really clear up in like 1 to 2 hours and it will be like super clear. So yeah, don't worry you guys, just keep it in an airtight container and just wait for 2 hours and it will be super clear. So before putting your slime into an airtight container, make sure you get rid of all the, you know, knots inside your slime, and just, you know, make it super stretchy like this. Oh my god, it's like amazing. Can you see that? So now we are going to keep our clear slime into this airtight container. So this is how it looked before it cleared up. So now let's see how it turned out after it clears up. So fantastic. As you guys can see, our slime has cleared up. Yeah, I know this container is not a very good choice for, you know, actually viewing clear slime, but all the bubbles are finally on the top and it's been like 3-4 hours. And let me show you guys how our slime looks beneath this bubbly mess. So oh my god, can you guys see that? That is a layer of clear slime. Like oh my god, it's so good. Oh my god, we have our clear slime over here. Like oh my god, can you see how clear it is? And wow. So this is how our clear slime turned out, and it was like really fast. Like it took only 2 to 4 hours. Like you guys, oh my god, can you guys see how clear that is? Wow, it's like so nice. Oh my god, even the swirl looks super clean. Wow. The pink tint is due to the pigment that was on my hand before, as you guys can see. So yeah, otherwise like I actually like that pink tint. It looks like a crystal. Oh my god, like can you guys see how beautiful this looks? Like wow. So if you guys like this video, then make sure to give this video a like, comment down below your favorite part by using the timestamps, and yeah, let me know which kinds of slime you want me to make next. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.